Hi, Viraj. You didn't find the recording, is it?
Me? I think it's my brother.
What is it, ma?
I I don't I think it's my brother.
Oh, you think it's your brother.
Yeah, I wasn't looking for any, but I heard that my brother needed a recording for his class.
Brother? Oh, I see. I see. Not yours, huh?
Yeah.
I see. I get it. I hear him. Okay, let me discuss with him about that. Okay. How are you all guys?
Good.
Good. Adya. It's early for you again, right? After this, when are you coming back to India, Adya?
Um, like 3 weeks.
3 weeks. So, wait, the next class Thursday, we have it only on 17th. Before that, you'll be back, right?
I don't really know. I know I'm coming back the week of that, like the weekend.
You are coming back when, ma?
We're not exactly sure, but we're thinking like the 19th or the 20th.
Oh, 19th to the 20th. Okay, but anyway, the next class is on 17th only. So you have a good break to do some practice, right, Adya?
Okay.
G- Clears your mind a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, it will make you happy. Good job. Okay. Okay. Bihan, you're going to India, right? After this?
Yeah.
Did you get the books?
No.
No? Okay. But everyone else got it.
No, I didn't.
Adya, did you want me to ship it?
Um, no, because I think we can get it once we're back in US.
I can ship it. Ask your mom and let me know.
Uh,
Okay, I
okay.
have one extra copy with me. Let me see. Devanj, you got it, right? Viraj, you got it, right?
Yeah, we got them.
Yeah, I got it.
Me, it will come to you as well. It will come to you next week. Okay.
Okay.
Adya, you will ask and tell me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How was the homework, guys?
It was
Let's.
pretty easy.
It's
I'm
pretty.
still working on mine.
Oh, you're still working on this.
But
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think I'll be finished by today after class.
Yeah, same. I have like 8 questions. So
I see. 1 second, guys. So here after, meaning what I was thinking was I don't need to post homework, right? Meaning either I can say, hey, look at the book and you can do your work, right? That's why I wanted to know. Give me 1 second, guys. I just want to mark the attendance as usual. Okay, wait. Because I feel it's very hard otherwise. Wait. Nidhi was
Yeah, my class is on.
Nidhi. Okay. Now let me go back. Your class. Yeah, ma, 1 minute. Ma, I'm just marking the attendance out for you, making sure G6. This is not the class. Give me a minute, guys. I don't know what is this class. Hey, why am I not finding it? Okay, I have it. Okay, let me quickly mark so that June. Viraj, you're here, I know. Bihan here. Neil is here. Sarvata, Bihan, Kabir, Aradhya, Devansh, Bihan, Arhan. Datt and Charan will be late. Okay. Okay. Yes, let to solve all your questions. What is the question? Come.
So what the question I had, so 2.58, so I solved it, but like in turn, I wanted like I wanted to know if there was a more efficient way of doing it.
Absolutely. 2 point. Shall I bring it up?
Yes, please.
Okay. Priya algebra book பத்தியடா இந்த மாதிரி உட்காராத ஒழுங்கா உட்காரு 1 second, guys. Okay, let me bring up the book. Arhan, how was the homework, Arhan?
I could do like most of it on my own, but I asked my mom for help on like some.
On some, good to know, Arhan. Yeah. Yeah, I can use it. I forgot about it. Thanks. I really appreciate your thought. Okay, can I bring up the 2.45? What is the 2 point, what is the number, ma?
2.58.
2.5a, yeah.
8.
Oh, 2.58, okay. Oh, 2. Kabir, did you do the challenging problems?
Wait, was I not supposed to?
No. No, meaning it's not that you were not supposed to. I'm happy that you did it, but I did not give that at all.
Oh, okay, no. So I was doing it, and then I got on to this because I had completed the part before it. So then I was just confused because this problem stopped me. Because
No, I
when
like it. I like it. I like it that
it
you
was
solved. Meaning, while I'm appreciative of the effort that you put in to solve extra in addition to your homework, I just want to let you know that it was not a given problem. But I'm more than happy to work that out for you. Makes sense?
yes, thank you.
Let's see. The Indian mathematician Ramanujam knew that there are 4 different positive. A cube plus B cube. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think there is an easier way. Let's see.
Yeah, because what I did was I just wrote out all the squares from 1 until like I got to 12, and then I combined 12 and 1 on both sides. But like, is there any easier way?
But Kabir, can I ask you, Vian, how did you solve this? Oh, you didn't solve this, right? No, this was not a homework. Feel free to say, no, I didn't solve. Guys,
Solved it because you didn't assign it.
yeah, that's it. That's an easy answer.
So when Kabir said it, I was like confused because there was the last question was 2.56.
Yeah, correct. See, honestly, I did not assign it. So you can very well say I didn't do it. But what are your thoughts, Arihan or Vian? Given this, you have to find A, B, C, D. Vihan, you can as well tell me, ma.
But I just did like the squares. I wanted to know if there was like an easier way.
This is the easiest way right now.
No, but I've watched videos on Ramanujan. He does squares in his mind. So wait, so is this how he solved it?
This one?
Yeah.
This one is the way out at
Ooh.
your level for this one. Solution.
All I know about looking at this is that A, B, C, and D have to equal the same number.
Oh, well, actually,
Why, Adya?
Oh, not like, well, actually, not everything, but like A and C have to equal the same number, and B and D have to equal the same number.
Not really, right? A, B, C, D are distinct numbers.
A and B can be 1 and B can be 12.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I don't want you to say that, you know.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Arhan, what do you think about it? What do you think about it? This is the only way out that comes to me easily because since these are cubes, right, we are not far. 1729 is a very small number when you compare the cubes. So I don't mind doing this at all. It will be very easy. 7 cube is 343. You have to memorize this. Basically, if you want to do this book, you should be memorizing these is my thought. 9 cube is 729. See, 10 cube we arrived at 1000 already. 11 cube is what? 1331, I think. 12 cube is what? 1728, I think. So yeah, see, we already arrived at it. We are already touching this. So basically, quickly I can determine that this and this equal to 1729. What else I can use? Yes, Kabir, you go ahead and explain.
So what I did was I did the same thing as you. And so I did 12 and 1 for the first one, and for C and D I did 9 and 10.
Good job. That's it.
Thank you.
That's the way out. Vihan, are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay. This one there is no other go. But you know what, Kabir? Why this works is the cube one, it climbs up quickly, right? So it's easy to write it down. Okay, shall I move on now?
Wait, I had one question.
Go ahead, Bian.
It was 2.47. It was 2.47. So after I did the entire thing, when I went to check my answers, I got very confused on 2.47 because I don't think I like got it right. I don't think I like understood it fully. So on my paper I just wrote like ask Miss Priya because I didn't understand it.
Ah, okay. Okay. So basically, let's do this. Let me read out the problem to you guys. Susan's calculator has a key, okay, that replaces the number displayed. Some number is displayed on the calculator. This is the display. Okay. Whatever be the number displayed, if I press this, right? If I press this special button, it cubes it. It cubes whatever the number is displayed. Okay. If a 2 is displayed, let's say 2 is displayed. How many times I have to hit this button, right, to get a number greater than 10 power of 9? Think, what would you do? Who has some thoughts about it? Vihan, can I ask you this time? Vihan.
What I just did is I just cubed until more than 1 billion.
You just cubed until you went more than 1 billion. That is nice. Okay. So let's start. The number 2 is pressed. I hit once. So what happens? This number becomes 8. Now, if I hit the button again, hit again, what happens? The number becomes
512.
2 becomes 8, 8 becomes 512. Okay. Now the number becomes 512. Now I hit the number again, hit the button again. What happens?
So you can estimate it and round it to 500, and 500 cube would give you 1,250,000,000, I think.
Nice. So if I cube it, what would happen to this one?
It would be greater than 10 to the power of 9.
It would be great. Really? Now
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
500 cube is what? 5 5s are 25, 25, 25s are 125, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, right?
Oh, wait, no.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's a good thing. See, you round it to this, but when you cube it, 5 cube is 125. After that, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 times, right? When I do that, this is not greater than 10 power of 9. So what would happen? This would be displayed here, 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I hit it again. What happens? That becomes
That
greater
is,
than 10 power of 9. Make sense?
yeah.
So you have to hit the button how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Yep. Does it make sense?
Miss Priya, what I put for my answer was like the 125000000.
Yeah, but that number is, see, this is equal to what? 10 power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, if I write 10 power of, write this number, what is it equal to? How many digits after? Let's say leave the 1 there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only is there, right?
Yeah.
Meaning, Viraj, how do I find it? Whether it's greater than 10 power of 9 or not? How to find out? Let me replace everything with a 0. Replace everything with a 0 here. 1. All this replace with a 0. And then there are how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there at the end. And then what? 8 zeros. So this is only 10 power of 8. But we should have a number greater than 10 power of 9. Means again you will have to cube it.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Any other questions? Okay. Okay, guys. Can we move on to chapter 3?
I think I have a question.
Yes, please go ahead. Nice.
Let me real quick check which question.
Absolutely, absolutely. Go ahead.
How many positive integers less? I mean, no, 2.49. Yeah, that's the question.
2.49.
2.49.
49. Yeah. How many positive integers less than 333 are powers of 3? Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. The question reads, how many positive, sorry, ma, what is the question? Sorry, I lost track. What is the question number? 43.
2.49.
49. Thank you. How many positive integers less than 333 are powers of 3? What did you guys do for this one?
So
You can
What
go.
I did is I went from 3 to power 0, and I just kept doing I kept like doing powers of 3, and then once I came to 3 power 7, I mean 3 power 6, it was 729, which was too much. So I had to count 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 4, 3 power 5. 3 power, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4, and 3 power 5. And that gave me 6 positive integers.
Good job. So 3 power of 5 comes to 324. Above that, if you power by 3, it will be greater, right? So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting 6 as the answer.
Yeah.
Does that
Yeah.
make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Miss Priya.
wait,
Yeah.
wait.
But-
In this it says 27 times 4. Shouldn't it be 27 times 3?
Oh, I made a mess. Sorry, I made a mess. Yes, it should be 27 times 3. Sorry about it. Yes.
For
Let's
this,
see. Then I'll see. Wait. So this is 22, 36, 6, 7, 81. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. 81. Now 81 times will be 81 times 3 is yeah. 43. This times 3 will be bigger. So anyway, it will be bigger. Same thing applies, right?
Wait,
Yeah.
Yeah. Same thing applies.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't think I did this the right way. So what I did was what I thought this meant this meant 330 powers of 3.
Oh my God.
So I thought this meant you do 1 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, 2.
I got it. Till 333, did you sit and do?
So what I did was, because off the bat I already knew that 7 to the power of 3 was 343. So what I did was I did 6 to the power of 3, and that was 216.
Yeah.
So what I did, my answer was, it was 6 to the power of 3 and below, because those are.
Oh no. Okay. I'm glad, Vian, you're discussing to this extent. But what is asked? How many positive integers less than this are powers of 3? Only 3?
I thought are getting powered by 3, getting cubed by 3.
Yeah, powers by. Okay, I got it. See, but read the question twice. It will help you a lot. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I also had a question.
Which one?
2.4.6.
2.4.6. Okay, how about this? Let A and B be non-zero numbers. Vihan, did you do the homework?
Yeah.
What was the problem?
Yeah.
What was the problem? 2.4.6.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I should have written it down.
Oh, it was this one. Okay.
Express your answer as a number times a power of A times a power of B. So what did you guys do for this one? So basically, I'll write this as 6a square b the whole square divided by 3a square b cube. So
Oh,
what will happen? I'll apply the square to each inside the parenthesis. It will be 6 square is 36. A square, the whole square is a power of 4. Then b square. Arhan, are you following me?
Yeah.
Now, 36 by 3 is what? Number by number, 12. A by A power of 4 by A square is what? A square.
B squared.
B square by B cube is by B. Now, this can be written as 12 A square B power of minus 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, so I actually got this one right. Because I
Yes,
thought I
good
had
job.
gotten it wrong.
Nice. Can I move on now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
I just wrote it as 12a squared over b.
What did they give you? They have given something, right, on that? They have given see,
Ma.
yeah,
Amma.
see, Ihan, that might be incorrect. Why I'll tell you.
On that 2.4.6 question they had underlined, I actually got it right.
Ade, you might want to mute yourself. Hey, Vihan, let A and B be non-zero numbers. Simplify this. Express your answer as a number times the power of A times power of B.
Okay.
You see, Vihan, your answer is technically right, but then they would not let you do that because we need to express it as times power of b means b power of minus 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what else? Can I move on?
Well, yeah.
Oh, by the way, Miss Priya, I solved my problem about the. I think my problem solved about the screen sharing thing.
Oh, good, good, good. I remember. Don't worry about it. You're going to present today, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now let's try this one. You all know what are multiple. Let me go back. I'm not able to see the board properly. If you don't mind, just a minute. Yeah, good. Okay. Do you all know what is a multiple?
Yeah.
What is a multiple?
A multiple is basically like. Oh, we're doing number theory.
Yes.
Oh, so a multiple is basically like the multiple of 3 is 12 because you can put 3 4 times into 12.
Yeah. What is the fifth multiple of 6? What is the fifth multiple of 6?
That would be 30.
That would be 30. Fifth multiple of 6, fifth multiple of 6 is 30, correct. Now let me ask you this. How about this? Suppose if I give you two numbers, 147 and 357. If I say that these two are multiples of 7, can I assume 147 plus 357 is also a multiple of 7?
Yes.
Yeah, because she's
Why?
right, because both of them are multiples, so therefore if we add them, they should also be multiples.
How do you say that? Can we try? Let me show you in a very mathematical way. This is 7 times what? 21. This is 7 times what, guys? Quick, tell me.
51.
51. Good job. Now, this is a term. This is a term. What is a term? Suppose if you have x plus y, x is a term, y is a term, right? Now, x times 1. Here, this is 1 times x. So, these are factors of the term. Factors are 1 and x. Factors are 1 and y. Any questions here? Any questions here? Okay. Now, maybe, I don't know whether we can play something, but let's see. So I would like this group to play a game at the end of every class hereafter, but that's a good rigorous game as well. Okay, it's not a walk in the park. It's not a game, but it's a nice mathematical game. I don't think I can do it today because Kabir is going to present. From next class, I'll do it definitely. Okay.
Could you like tell us the game so we can like play it on our own?
You can play on your own. Yes, I will do. Okay, you can practice and come for next class. Good thought, Vian. Okay, now this is a term. From these two terms, I can take that 7 as common. Do you see? So the entire thing can be expressed as 21 plus 51 inside the brackets. Do you see? This is reverse of distributive property. I took the 7 common, 7 common. That, did you get it?
Yes.
Tat and Charan, you both are too quiet. Okay. So when I express this as this becomes 7 times 21 plus 51. Is this now a multiple of 7? Nicely we can say. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It is a multiple of 7. 7, I took it out as common and I'm able to express it as 7 times some number. So definitely it's a multiple of
7.
7. How about this? How about this? Suppose let's say R is a multiple of 7. Now let me ask you this. R plus 23, is this a multiple of 7? Is this a multiple of 7?
No,
No.
because
No.
it wouldn't be multiple of because like you said in the previous one, you can't take the 7 common. So and because R is a multiple of 7 and 23 isn't, then you couldn't take the 7 common, and you wouldn't be able to make it a multiple of 7.
Exactly. This number ends with a multiple of 7. So take away 7, 7, 7, 3 sevens. If you take away, you still have 2 as a remainder. Do you see it? So
Yeah.
it cannot be a multiple of 7. Good thoughts. Now, how about, okay, how about this? How many, try to do this, how many integers between, before I go here, okay, let me finish this and talk about divisibility rules. How many integers between 2 and 1004 are multiples of 5? How do you find it? Hey, don't sit and write 5. Are you going to do 5, 10, 15 till that? 5, 10, 15,
No.
25 to 30, 35. Don't sit and write till 1005. That's not the way we do. So what do you do till 1000? So what do we do?
I think is I know that the nearest integer to 2 is 0, and then the nearest integer that's nearest integer that's a multiple of 5 is 0 for 2, and then the nearest integer that's a multiple of 5 near 1004 is 1005.
Wait, if I do that, I'll make mistakes, right? Meaning I don't want to include them. I want to include only between 2 and 1004. Means add up, going to come back to me. Huh? So you cannot start with 0. You have to start with 5.
And then you go to 1000. And
So
then
how many numbers are in between this?
5 times 1 is 5.
2.
5 times
200.
yeah, 5 times
200.
is
Good
1000.
job, guys. 5 times 200. So how many numbers are in there? So it is basically how many?
200.
200. Good job. That is the best way to do. Okay. But I want to show you something. If you want to find out 5, 10, let's say they start somehow they start from 135, okay, to 1000. How many multiples of 5 are there? How do you find it?
First you'd figure out what multiple of 5 135 is, and then you'd subtract that number with 200.
I see. 135, 140, 145, 150. Goes till 995 and 1000, right? Is there any other way to find it quick? Is there any other way to find it out quick?
You could guess and check about the nearest number that you think is to 1000.
Really? Can I divide by 5 everything? Can I try this one? Let's try this one. This is 27, right? This one becomes 28. And this one becomes 200. Do you see? I divided by 5 everywhere. And then, can I go ahead and subtract 26 from everywhere? Can I go ahead and subtract 26 from everywhere? If we go ahead and subtract 26 from everywhere, what happens? 1, 2, 3, it goes till what? 200 minus 26 is what? What is 226? 174.
4.
How many multiples are there?
174.
Do you get it? How easy it is? Vihan and Vihan, did you understand?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
What I meant to say was how many numbers are in the sequence. This is the simplest way of asking. How many numbers are in the sequence? If I say this, let's say I start with a 343. Or I'll say I'll start with a 312 till 999. How many numbers are there? Multiples of 3. 312, 315, 318. Like that it goes till 999. How do you find out the multiples? Hey Neil, you had a point, right? Did you have something to say here?
No, sorry, my mic just glitched.
Yeah. How many multiples are there? The easiest way to do this is 315. I don't want to sit and write. What do you think, Kabir?
Okay, so what I would do is, so I would have to go to 995. So I would make this 999 to 995, and then I would do 315. What I would do was I would divide that by 5.
Yeah, divide by 3, right? Directly. These are all multiples of 3, I told you. So why don't we divide by 3 directly? Arhan, what will we do? Kabir, I didn't mean to cut you. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. So then so divide this by 3. We get 104, right?
Huh?
Wait, for 315 divided by 3, that's wait, you did 315 divided by 3, right?
Yeah, that is 105, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So then couldn't we
105, 106, and then it goes till 333.
so should we minus 333 from 105, and then we know
No,
how?
you're going to subtract 103. You should start with a 1. Subtract 103 from everywhere. What happens? It starts with 1, 2, 3, and then subtract 103. That gives you 230. So there are 230 multiples in this sequence. You got it? 230 numbers in this sequence. Am I making sense?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Now I really want to know about 3 people who are really keeping quiet. Dutt and Charan, did you understand?
Yes.
Arihan?
Yes.
Arihan, did you get how to do this?
Yeah. Wait, but where did you get the one? Did you do the 103 just like it's the digit right before the 104? Or,
What was it, Dutt?
wait, where did you get the 103 from?
Why did I get the 103 from? Because I have, see, if I start with a 1, I will know the numbers in the sequence easily. So I subtract one number less than the first number.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. How about, let's say, I talk about, 1 second. Okay, let's start with 343. Okay, I end up with 490. Okay, 343, 350, 357. The sequence goes like this. How many multiples of 7 are here? You're going to do this and send the answer to me. How many multiples of 7 are here? How many multiples of 7 are here?
Miss Priya, I didn't understand it.
So how many, my question was how many multiples of 7 are here? Let me wait for some answers and then I'll help.
I sent my answer.
I sent my answer.
Also, Miss Priya, for me, the screen says you paused screen sharing.
You're not. Hold on.
Yeah.
Arihan, good job. Devansh, did you? Yeah, absolutely, Devansh. Oh, wow. You know them, Devansh?
Yeah, I actually knew them.
You actually know them? That's good to know. Absolutely. I'll leave the meeting. If you want, you can go ahead and talk.
Yeah, like at the end of class.
Absolutely. Okay. Vihan, correct. Datt and Sharan, Devansh wants to talk to you privately after the class. Okay. Okay. Now that, okay. Some of you have gotten 21. Some of you have gotten 22. This is my problem. This is what I wanted to avoid. But good. I'm seeing the problem already. See, that is the problem. Usually we won't know how many are there. Is it 21? Is it 22? How not to make mistakes? Vihan, how did you get this going? This is where how to make this number a 1. First of all, everything is divisible by 7. So let me divide everything by 7. Okay. So what will I do? 7 fours are 28, 7 nines are 63. Now again the next one becomes 50, 51. Like that I keep on going till 70. Now, how to find out so many numbers? With you should not make a mistake means you have to start with a 1. Then you won't make a mistake. So let me subtract every number. 48, 48. I'm going to subtract from every number. So that becomes 1, 2, 3. It goes till what? 22. So there are 22 numbers in here. See, those of you who answered 21, did you understand the problem? Arhan, are you here in the class with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, Avian, good job. Sarvata, good job. Did you understand? Arhan got it. Okay, okay. Okay, any other questions? Can I move on? Okay. Viraj, did you get it now?
Yeah, I
Viraj,
understood.
you get it. Okay, good. Now, how about this? Okay. Think about this, guys. I don't know whether you know. Okay, let me ask this. Must every multiple of 3 of 15 be a multiple of 3? What do you think, Arihan? Arihan, what is answer? Must every multiple of 15 be a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Why?
Because okay, one second, let me check. So see, it like what? 15,
Mm-hmm.
30,
Hmm.
45,
Mm-hmm.
60, 75, uh, uh, 75.
Hmm.
See, some of your digits all can are all equivalent to um a number divisible by 3.
I like your way. But when you generically write down, right? 15, right? How can I write down 15? I can write it out as 3 times some number, correct? So it is always, if there is a multiple of 15, I can always express it as this times some other number, correct? So it is always a multiple of 3. But Viraj, can you tell me the answer for this one? Must every multiple of 3 be a multiple of 15?
I think it's no because, like, for example, like 3 or like 6 is not a multiple. Is not a multiple of 15.
15. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now, with this in place, right? Let me go ahead and ask you a couple of questions. I don't know whether you guys all know about divisibility tests, meaning given a number 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 5, 9, 8, 9. Is this divisible by 2? Aradhya. Hey,
No,
you are.
because it's an odd number.
Yeah, I'll get you. Yeah. Why
Mm,
my? What the divisibility by 2? How will you experiment it?
Well, I know every number that's divisible by 2 has to be even, and this isn't even. 9 is not an even number, so therefore it cannot be divisible by 2.
It has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The ending digit, the units digit has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Divisibility by 3. Vihan, do you know if a given number is divisible by 3 or not?
It's not,
Right.
because if you add all the digits,
Mm-hmm.
the
Add
total
on. Or you can cast away 9, or you can cast away 3s and 9s. When you get a 9, you can cast away. You can throw it in the bin. This is a 9, throw it away. 6 and 3 is a 9. What else is a 9 here? 8, 2 has a 9, right? And then one more is there. But again, 5 and 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11, the sum of the digits, you see, when you sum up the digits and make it into a single digit, right? Sum the digits. Okay, when the sum is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. How about this? Here it is not.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you explain that again? I don't
One,
really understand.
1, 4, 3. Is this number divisible by 3? The
Yes.
easiest way is
No,
sum
no,
up.
no,
4,
no.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So this
I
number is not divisible by 3.
can I share something?
Please, Arihan, go ahead.
Okay, so if you want to figure out if a number is divisible by 11, like imagine you have that ridiculous number again, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 5.
Arihan, can I interrupt 1 minute?
Okay,
Uh, when I come to 11, can I ask you to explain this?
okay.
I'll definitely ask you to explain. Otherwise, you can interrupt and keep going. Does that make sense?
Okay, wait, what did you say?
I will go through 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and then come to 11. I'll ask you to explain this.
Okay,
Make sense?
yes.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Now, how about 4? How to find out whether a number is divisible by 4 or not? Who knows?
the last two digits have to be divisible by 4.
Exactly. The last 2 digits of a number, if it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So look at the last 2 digits. Okay. Now, divisibility by 5, you all know, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's added to
Last,
0.
last digit is a 0 or a 5.
Or a 5.
Divisibility by 6, how to find out, guys?
I know.
The number has to be divisible by both 2 and 3.
Why 2 and 3? Who picked out 2 and 3? Correct. The number has to
It's
be.
2 times 3 is 6.
Is it so? Then let me, how to find out divisibility by 36?
Um,
Okay, you all say that 2 times 3 is a 6, right? Then how will you find out divisibility by
I
36?
think you divide it by 3 and divide it by 2.
Just 3 and 2?
12 and 3.
No, the number is even
12
and the
and 3?
sum of the
12
digits.
and 3
I
can't
think
make it.
12 and 9. 12 and 9.
Why 12 and 9? You know what? But 9 and 4 will make the cut. If the
mhm.
number is divisible by 9 and 4, it is divisible by 36. But why, guys? Why I am not
Because
12 and 3?
2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's because 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9.
2 times 2 is 4.
Or
Right.
it's maybe because 6 is square is 36 and 2 is square is 4 and 3 square is 9.
You think I'm picking up the square numbers? No. There is a reason. Okay. Similarly, okay, let's come to this. How will I find out divisibility by 12?
Wait, I have a question about the divisibility by 4.
In
By
4.
4, huh? I'll come back. Wait, ma. Go ahead. Divisibility by 12. I'll pick out 4 and 3. That's not square numbers, but still it will work. You know what? How I choose these numbers? There is a big trick in choosing these numbers to understand divisibility by bigger numbers. Okay. The thing about this is, when you think about it, this is a prime number. This is a prime number. This is a composite number. You have a separate way. Okay. This is a prime number. This is a composite number. And you pick out two numbers that are co-primes. You pick out two numbers that are co-primes. What is meant by co-prime? Co-prime means when co-prime means relatively prime numbers. When you pick out 4 and 3, there is no common factor between the numbers you picked out other than 1. When you picked out 9 and 4, there was no common factor between 4 and 9 other than 1. When you picked out 3 and 12 for 36, their common factor was a 3. So this will not work. You got it? So when you want to test divisibility by bigger numbers like 36, 12 and stuff like that, you have to split them into numbers that are relatively prime. Relatively prime means whatever numbers you pick do not have any prime number, any common factors other than 1. Those are called co-primes. Any questions? Bihan, did you get it? Did you understand? You got it? Suppose if I want to test divisibility by 56, what numbers will you pick up?
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Good job. Why? The question was for
They're
Neil.
They're
The
co-prime.
question was for Neil.
Yeah, I said 7 and 8 in the chat.
Okay. Why? Why did you pick out 7 and 8?
Because was it 7 times 8 is 56?
Yeah. Then can I choose 14 and 4? I can as well choose 14 and 4. 14 times 4 is 56.
Yeah.
But why can't I choose that?
It's just that I have better experience with the 12 tables.
Correct, ma. But for 56, to check divisibility by 56, why can't I choose 14 and 4? Why I have to choose 7 and 8?
Oh, because there's no common factor between 14 and 4.
There is a common factor. You cannot pick this because there is a common factor of 2. But whereas 7 and 8 do not have common factors other than 1. They're co-primes.
Now can
Got
I
it?
can I
Oh,
do
yeah.
this for 11 now?
I will let you do, Arihan. Wait. Okay, now divisibility by 7 is something you are going to explore, come back. Each of you are going to explore and come back to me. Divisibility by 8 is the last 3 digits. Okay?
I know why.
Last 3 digit 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 8. Just check 618. If it is divisible, it's divisible.
Can I explain why?
Yeah, tell me.
Because you see when you're doing the multiples, you see that 8 cannot go and equal a whole number amount of times into 10, nor 100.
Correct.
But it can go into 1,000.
Arihan, I didn't get it. Can you explain again?
So 8. So is that 8 can't go a whole number amount of times into 10, nor 100. It can't go into 100 either, but it can go into 1,000.
Good. That is why. Nice. Very good job. So 8 goes evenly into 1,000. Okay.
The same thing for the fourth, except the 4 can go to 100, but not 10.
Correct. That's why you pick up the 2 numbers. Here you pick up 3 numbers, 3 digits. Good. Now, divisible. What, Amma, Arihan?
I think there's a pattern. So if you every time you would double that number for say 16, there's an increased amount of digits that's included. So in 8, it's the last 3 digits. 16, it's 4 digits. 32, it's the 5 digits, and then so on.
Yeah, because 2, 2, 2, 2, right? Another you need 5, 5, 5, 5 to make 10. So it will be 4 zeros number. So it has to go, meaning you will have to check out the last 4 digits. Similarly, for 32, you have to check out the 5 digits. Make sense?
Yes. Can I explain
Some
9?
patterns, yeah. So divisibility by 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 9. Is it divisible by 9? Again, this is similar to 3. Similar to 3 means 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 9 is a 12 plus 9 is a 21, 2 plus 1 is a 3. 3 is not divisible by 9. The sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. You know the divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10 means ends in 0. Divisibility by 11, Arihan, you want to say? How about
Yes.
this? Let's see this one. Divisibility by 11. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5.
Okay,
Is it
can I
divisible
explain?
by 11?
Okay, so how it works is first it's the subtracting of the alternating odd and even numbers. Not like 1, 3, 1, 5. It means like the amount of the place values
Uh-huh.
here. So that's how it goes. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 4 plus 5 is 11.
So how do you
And
do? 1 plus 3, alternating numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 1. What is it?
it's not divisible by 11.
Yeah, let's see. 1 plus 3 plus 1. First you need to try.
It's
That is a
negative
5.
6.
Then you go ahead with what, Arihan?
2 plus 4 plus
2
5, which is
plus 4
11.
plus 5. Alternating digits you finish summing up. Right? This will be a 11. Now, what you need to see? First of all, sum up your alternating numbers. After summing up, if the difference between them is a 0 or multiples of 11. If the difference between them is a 2 or multiples of 11, then the number is divisible by 11.
So it's not divisible by 11. It's negative. The result's negative 6 for some reason.
Exactly. How? Yeah. So how about this?
Hmm. No, no. Wait. Let's see. What is?
How about this?
Okay, let me see.
Divisible by 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. The summed up value is 11.
Yes,
Here,
yes, it is. It's
7,
divisible by
8,
11.
9, 10, 11. The difference between them is 0. So it is divisible by 11. Did you guys get it? Okay. Now I think I'll have to let him present. Otherwise, we are never going to finish. Who logged on? Arihan went off, huh? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Guys, I just went with the theory of divisibility by 3, 4, 5. 7 is your homework, okay? And there is a homework problem on 7. You have to Google out, find out how to find whether a number is divisible by 7 and then do your homework. It's on you. Okay. Now go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Now, Kabir, do you want to present?
I think he left the meeting.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Now, I don't know. Whenever his presentation comes, something goes wrong. Now, guys, you know what I'm going to do? 3.1 and 2, I'm going to give it as homework. But you all are very good. You all have done your 6th grade math, is what I'm assuming. Okay, you're all going into your 7th, literally, right? So, that being the case, I really want you guys to try out 4th unit.
So that's good.
Literally, 4th unit, you can do it by, meaning I really want you to give it a try because you have 2 weeks break now, right? So I really want you to try the 4th unit. See, my main thing is I really want to get going with unit 5 when you come back. Unit 5 is going to be so useful for us when you come to your 7th grade, 8th grade. So I really, and unit 5, unit 7, those are my targets. Unit 5, unit 7, unit 8. Unit 9, 10. Those are my targets. Okay. So I really would like you to try Unit 4 by yourself. The sooner we finish, the sooner we can get to algebra for you. For you kids, I don't want to be grinding my 7th grade math for 1 year long. Okay. This group is a very good group, dedicated group which wants to improve quickly. So I would like you to drive a little faster. So I really want you to try the 4th unit by yourself, because 4th unit is all based on fractions. Okay. Negative fractions, positive fractions, multiplying, dividing. At your level, I feel like it is slightly easier.
Does it
Given
also
that you
include
have 2 weeks
complex
break,
fractions? Does it also
given,
include complex fractions?
given that you have 2 weeks break, I'm going to give it to you to try chapter 4 and 3.1 and 3.2. Rest of it I am going to cover. Make sense? Make sense? When is the next class, you all know? We have 2 weeks break, right? So check the calendar and then we will resume the classes. Okay.
Are
Any
you
other?
gonna do the homework on Google Classroom?
Yes, I'm going to. But since I gave you the website where we are going to work with, right, by yourself, meaning there is a website which I'll show you during next class. I really want you to go ahead and start working on each topic and show me that you get a 99 on each of the topic in that website. Okay. Having said that, I'm going to show it to you next class only. Vihan, you're going to excuse me about that, okay? But we'll definitely do it as soon as you come into the class so that we can start playing from next class. Sorry, Vihan. You have to bear with me, but you're going to finish up the unit 4 this week, for the next 2 weeks, okay? I want to literally show you the website where you can work as well as to play. Okay, we are going to have a game next class. Among us, whoever is in class, it's a 10 question. Okay, I'll set it up. 10 question game. The questions are hard. Even if you solve one, I would be happy. Let's see. Okay, any other questions for me?
Can I share something?
Yes.
It's about the same power in multiple 4 and 8, 16 thing. So one thing I noticed is that imagine you get the 8 again.
Uh-huh.
Then yes, I already said this, but the one thing I want to know is that oh yeah, now I know. So notice how there's 3 zeros. So if you put a 2 there, so that 3 becomes an exponent, it equals 8.
Good
And
job.
same thing for 64. So
Mm-hmm.
that's adding how many?
6.
Now 6 zeros. Yes,
Hmm. Hmm.
thank you for reminding me.
So what happens?
It's the same. It's basically the same concept.
Yep.
Let's see. There's is it? Oh, that's 5. That's 6 zeros,
Yep.
and 2 to the power of 6 equals 64.
That's true. Good job. Good finds. Hey
Thanks.
guys, I have another request to you all. Since you have the break, right? I want you to memorize what is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6
Till
square,
30.
7 square, 8 square, till 30 square. Please, when you come back, I will quiz you on this. 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. Like that, I'll ask you what is 24 square, what is 26 square. Till 30 square, you have to memorize and come back to class. Okay, guys?
Yes.
I'll stop here, let you go.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Any questions? Stay. Otherwise, we'll see you next class. Vihan, good luck, safe travels.
Okay, bye.
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 Oh, yeah. Who wanted? Devansh wanted to talk. Okay, great. Neil and Arhan, any questions?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Wait, do we leave if we don't have questions?
Yes.
Hello, Miss Priya. Sorry, I was having problems with my desktop, so I had to join from here. Sorry.
No problem. No problem. Okay. Yes. Kabir, I know that you desperately wanted to present, right? This is the second week we are missing out, right?
Yes. Yes. Open system settings.
No, wait, Amma. Wait. There are only a few of them here.
Oh.
Okay. Do you really want to do now or the next class?
I mean, I'm fine either way.
I feel sad, right? You feel sad, right?
Yeah, but also I feel like that
I didn't mean to make you feel sad, okay? You know what, Kabir, when I called out, I did see that you were not there. I'm so sorry, Kabir, okay? But I had to let them go because pulling
yeah,
the
no
class
problem.
didn't make sense. But what do you want me to do? You want to present it now or can you wait?
Yeah, I can wait. If you want, I can send it to you.
Be
The
nice. I would
presentation.
like to see the presentation. And the
Yes.
moment you come into the class, present it next class.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Should not wait till the end. I feel this is the second time we are missing out, right?
Yes.
I'm seriously sorry about it.
Oh, no problem. It's on me. Cause my desktop wasn't working.
No, yeah, I felt so bad as well, but I could not make everybody wait for long. Okay, so please excuse me. But the moment you come into the class, I promise you can present next class. Okay,
Oh yes.
don't feel bad at all.
Oh
Okay,
no. Yes. Thank you.
yeah, but yeah, any questions you had?
No, thank you.
A couple of things we discussed after you went off. One is you have to memorize squares from 1 square to 30 square, number one, before you come to the next class since you have 2 weeks break. Second thing is 3.1, 3.2, I'll give it to you as homework. Unit 3, you guys do not know, so I'll cover it. But unit 4 is completely on fractions, which you already know. So, utilizing this break, I want you to finish unit 4 by yourself. That way, I can pull up this class. This class is very bright, right? So I really want to pull up this class by quickly completing pre-algebra book itself. Okay, so if you can expedite it by doing unit 4, we'll continue with 5, 7 and 10, which are more important. 5, 7, 9 and 10 are more important. Make sense?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. But don't feel bad at all. The
Oh
moment you
yes.
come in,
Yes,
you
no
can
problem.
present next week. And thank you for that understanding. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, ma.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Arhan, do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, you all want to talk?
Yeah.
They
Can I
said
talk?
to stay after.
Yeah. Devans wanted to talk to you guys. Do you think I can log off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, guys. I'm going to log off. Have fun.
All right.
No, I will not end the meeting. Can I leave, guys?
Yeah, you guys can leave. I mean, you can leave the meeting, but not end it.
Productively make the chat nice, okay? You are meeting here in the meeting room. So make it productive. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Oh. I will make Devans the whom I should make the new host.
I don't know.
I don't know. You guys choose.
I guess you can put it as me.
Okay.
Okay, so do you guys remember me
Kind of.
from Monobuddy?
Oh yeah.
And we met like on the first day when we went to
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
You guys still do Monobuddy?
Yeah. We're going to third year.
Yeah, same. Prakasam, right?
Yeah.
You guys still do Sundays? I had to move to Saturdays.
I think we do Sundays.
Yeah, I moved to Saturdays because we normally had a lot of stuff to do on Sundays and I wouldn't get to join classes. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about. So yeah.
Okay. Bye.